Hello and welcome to Chris Hill Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. We've got a classic one for you today. We're going to start rattling through some of our classic bikes. So, but before we do that, you guys know what to do. Like button, subscribe button, bell for notifications. Right, that's out of that way. What have I got for you today? I've got a 1970 Yamaha YR5. Real nice clean bike. There's some areas what, depends on where you want to go with it. You can just ride it as is, or if you want to restore it, there's a few bits and bobs on it that might need a tarting up, as they say. It's a matching numbered bike. But yeah, let's just have a slow walk round and then I'll start it up for you. So yeah, as you can see, it's clean. I'm not going to say it's not, because it is a nice clean example. Some of the exhaust could do with a bit more of a polish up, some elbow grease more than anything on that. The rims are in quite a good condition. The hubs, nice and clean. The suspension looks good. Camera's not focusing quick enough, but yeah, some of the paint, some of the like the detailing on the badges and stuff is a bit, not its best, but it is nice and clean. Sounds lovely, and as all two-strokes do, smells even better. Yeah, you could do some new badges, even though that is original. Like I say, it is a matching numbered bike. Painting on the tank's nice. Clocks are showing 10,274 miles. It is an import. It was brought in 2017, so it has been here a while. I've got a few bits and bobs of paperwork with it, but nothing extensive, to be fair. The guy that restored it obviously didn't keep anything, which is a real shame on this. Front tyre's new. Rims are nice. Hubs are nice. Chrome in general is okay, and again, depending on how far you want to go, the covers on the clocks, bit patina there, shall we say. But it's certainly a usable classic in that respect. It's all there. You could just get on this and ride it, and if you got caught out in a little bit of rain, don't really matter. It's not a Concours vehicle, but it is a nice one. Okay, so I'm going to do a start up. What I'm going to have to do is put the camera down and the mic down. So going a bit out of my comfort zone here, because I'm going to end up in screenshot, and I'm going to have to try and start a two-stroke, which, as some of you regular viewers will know, is not my forte at all. So I'm going to zoom you in a little bit there. I'm just going to take my mic off, and hopefully that can still pick me up over here. So yeah, this is not my area of expertise. You're going to get the back end of me, which is never a good view at the best of time, folks. So yeah, let's turn some fuel on, bit of choke, and I'll put my microphone back on, and away we go. That's not too bad. Look at that. Now I'm going to turn that off, because as you can see behind me, we've just smoked the place out. However, like I've said in many video before with two strokes, oh, that smell. We really do need to be able to bottle that smell up. I'm sure it's not very good for the lungs, etc., but it smells fantastic. So anyway, back to the bike in question, as we all get romantic, with the smell of two-stroke and just the historic side of it. Nice clean 1970 Yamaha YR5, starts and runs sweet as a nut, looks lovely, in stock. We can offer delivery on this bike. Finance we can certainly look at on an individual case. The bike, obviously we'll supply the bike. It is down on the UK V5 as historic, so no MOT or tax required, as it's 1970. So yeah, if you've got any questions on this vehicle, just give me a shout. 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishillmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you do want to come down and look at the bike in person, you're more than welcome. Just give us a shout. Certainly if you're having to travel, I'll best turn that fuel tap. Yeah, certainly if you're having to travel, give us a shout. I don't want you to get here and the bike not be on site. So there you go, guys. That's it. I'm going to wrap this one up. That's the 1970 Yamaha YR5 in a really nice colour as well. I do like that purple and white. Yeah, I've also got a fizzy there in need of restoration. If you're fancying a restoration fizzy, you know, but that's another story for another day. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate the support massively. You have no idea, but keep hitting that subscribe button, keep hitting that like button, and if you want to see more bikes, stay tuned, more to follow. Thank you very much. Have a good day, folks. Stay safe. Cheers.